Are you tired of feeling left behind in the AI revolution? With so many courses out there, it can be tough to know where to start. That's where I come in. As a seasoned AI enthusiast, I've carefully curated a list of the best AI courses for beginners. In this video, I'll break down each course, highlighting its unique features and benefits. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of AI learning, stick around. Number 10. Ethics of AI and Elements of AI by University of Helsinki. This course is a combination of two offerings: Elements of AI and Ethics of AI, both provided by the University of Helsinki. It's designed to teach the basics of artificial intelligence in a way that's accessible to everyone, without requiring prior technical knowledge. The ethics component delves into the moral and ethical challenges of AI, making it suitable for anyone interested in the responsible development and use of AI. What you will learn? Understand the basic concepts of artificial intelligence without needing a technical background. Explore the ethical challenges related to AI, including fairness, accountability, and transparency. Learn about the impact of AI on society, including both its potential benefits and risks. Develop a foundational knowledge of how to responsibly implement AI in various fields. Gain insights into the historical, social, and political contexts surrounding AI. Number 9. Intro to TensorFlow for Deep Learning by Google. This Udacity course provides a practical introduction to TensorFlow, teaching students how to build and train neural networks. Through interactive lessons, students will build machine learning models and gain hands-on experience working with neural networks for tasks like image recognition and time series forecasting. What you will learn? Build neural networks using TensorFlow and understand the basics of machine learning. Train models to recognize patterns in images and data. Explore convolutional neural networks (CNNs) for advanced image recognition tasks. I'll learn about transfer learning to optimize training processes. Discover how to deploy trained models on various devices using TensorFlow Lite. Understand natural language processing (NLP) concepts, including tokenization and recurrent neural networks (RNNs). Number 8. An Introduction to Artificial Intelligence by the Open University. This course, offered by the Open University, delves into the fundamentals of AI, covering its history, development, and the various applications that are transforming society. It also highlights the ethical concerns and risks that accompany AI's rapid growth, encouraging students to think critically about its impact. After studying this course, you should be able to understand the historical, social, political, and economic dimensions of AI. Assess both the benefits and risks associated with AI technologies. Discuss the ethical challenges involved in building AI systems. Propose solutions to mitigate risks while harnessing the potential of AI. Number 7. Generative AI Prompt Engineering Basics by IBM, available on Coursera. This 7-hour course covers the basics of prompt engineering for generative AI. The course offers detailed explanations of various techniques and approaches for prompt creation, along with hands-on labs and a final project. What you will learn? Understand the concept and importance of prompt engineering in generative AI. Apply best practices and explore examples of high-impact prompts. Experiment with common techniques to write effective prompts. Familiarize yourself with essential tools to assist in prompt engineering. Number 6. Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT by Vanderbilt University. This Coursera course, offered by Vanderbilt University, focuses on how to interact with large language models using prompt engineering. It teaches students how to craft effective prompts to solve a variety of problems across different fields. The course emphasizes the importance of prompt engineering, showing how it can be leveraged in ways that will significantly impact both personal and business applications. What you will learn? Apply prompt engineering techniques to work effectively with large language models like ChatGPT. Use prompt patterns to unlock powerful capabilities in these models. Build complex, prompt-based applications that can be used in business, education, or other domains. Number 5. Introduction to Generative AI by Google Cloud. This 1-hour course is available on Google Cloud Learning and Coursera. It provides an introduction to generative AI, discussing its key concepts, applications, and how it differs from traditional machine learning methods. Additionally, it introduces Google tools that can help you develop your own generative AI applications. What you will learn: understand the basics of generative AI and how it works. Learn the different types of generative AI models. Explore various applications of generative AI in real-world scenarios. Number 4, Machine Learning Specialization by Stanford and DeepLearning.ai. This course is available on Coursera. It's an advanced machine learning specialization that covers everything from foundational ML techniques to advanced neural networks. You'll not only build ML models using libraries like NumPy and scikit-learn, but also explore more complex models like neural networks using TensorFlow. What you will learn? Develop machine learning models for prediction and classification tasks using tools like NumPy and scikit-learn. Build neural networks using TensorFlow for multi-class classification, and learn to implement decision trees and ensemble methods. Number 3, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python by Harvard University. This course offers an in-depth dive into the foundational concepts of AI. You'll explore how AI technologies like game-playing engines, handwriting recognition, and machine translation work. Through hands-on projects, you'll not only learn theoretical principles such as graph search algorithms, classification, and optimization, but also apply them in Python-based projects. By the end of the course, you'll have experience using machine learning libraries and a solid understanding of how to design intelligent systems. What you will learn: graph search algorithms, adversarial search, knowledge representation, Bayesian networks, machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing. Number 2, Career Essentials in Generative AI by Microsoft and LinkedIn Learning. This beginner-friendly course, lasting 4 hours, covers the essential aspects of generative AI. It provides a foundational understanding of how generative AI works and its applications in different industries. The course also introduces Microsoft's cutting-edge tools like Copilot, designed to enhance workplace productivity. By taking this course, you will explore the ethical implications of AI and how it is reshaping the digital landscape. There are 6 items included with this course. What you will learn? Gain an understanding of generative AI and its practical applications. Learn how to leverage AI tools like Microsoft Copilot for increased productivity. Explore ethical considerations around AI and responsible usage. Understand how AI is changing industries and workplace environments. Number 1, AI for Everyone by DeepLearning.ai. This course is available on Coursera and can be enrolled in for free. It's a 6-hour course, with over 1.4 million people already enrolled. The course has been translated into 21 languages, making it accessible to a global audience. Designed to introduce artificial intelligence concepts, it focuses on what AI is and how it can be applied across various industries. As the course is non-technical, it's suitable for anyone without a background in engineering.